Wow. Okay. Hello everyone. And you can see the water flow here. Here we call free energy water, but we don't call the free energy water pump. We call the siphon system. And right now you can see the water flow that we don't use the electricity. This kind of project we call siphon system. Right? It's non-stop 24 hours per day. At least no water in the source. Right? Okay, it's full field. But this kind of project we don't spend a lot of money. And it's easy to set up this kind of project. Okay, with water flow. It's so imagine it's good for the people in the countryside or the place without electricity. Right? You can see like this. Well, it's a good idea. Okay, this project but we don't use the glue during we install lesson of this kind of project. We just use it like this. You can see like a plastic bag with rubber to wrap it before we process the project. But this project we call just take water from the high place to the low place. We call siphon system. Right. Okay. Okay. Next step we will go to see some material that I used to install this kind of project siphon system. Here this pipe I use with the 60mm size, same size to the input pipe, 60mm size. Okay, let's go to see. But between pipe to pipe that I connect it, I don't use the glue. I just use the rubber and plastic bag to cover it, make sure no leaking. Okay, here we are connection. Like this. And otherwise, before I open start my project, I just you can see the valve here, air valve, and I choose the pump to pump it like this. Pump it. Pump it like this until it's full, and then we just yes we fill. But before I process open this my project, I fill the water until it full is the drum, and with this one, before I pump the air to the main drum. And every connection you can see, I use like this with the rubber and plastic bag. Okay, another one you can see the water flow here. And other people they say that I use some machine or other thing that can pump the water from this river. It's so strong. But I don't use anything that you can see. This video I know cutting. I just do a track, take video, and we show you how does it work. And you can see. And you can see, right? It's sucking. Right? Okay, I will take some leaf for you to see, to show you. By my project like this. Okay, let's go. Oh, let's go in. No. Okay, we show you again, and I will drop the leaf for this pipe sucking. And you can see. And you can see. See like this. Right, it's so strong. So this kind of project we call a siphon system. They are easy to set up. And other place, especially the place without electricity, you can see the pipe size. They are used with the 60mm size. The same size to the same to the output pipe. Output pipe and input pipe is the same size. We cannot use the input pipe smaller than output pipe. Right? Okay, and see again. We show you how does it suck. Wow. Wow, it's so strong, right? Okay, and the last, right now I would like to say thank you so much that you spend the value time to see my review, my video today. See you in the video. Thank you so much. Không, cái nó phải trong. Cái nó, trong video này.